So what is the RapidStart configuration package? Let's take a look at that. If we go, so this is, by the way, the RapidStart Call Center. So it's one of the default profiles that are shipped with any 2013 product. So if you take a 2013 or 2013 R2 product, go into configuration area, you just start typing config, and then you will see RapidStart pages there. If you want to switch to RapidStart Profile, you just go into Profiles, and there is a RapidStart Services Implemented profile that will give you access to the RapidStart Call Center. Okay. I need a mirror here. That would be really nice. So let's take a look at the packages, for example. Each demo company that we shipped with the 2013 and R2 products has its own demo configuration package. So when you want to move data from one company to another, or set up a configuration package, what you do is you create a new one. So basically you give it a name, description, version number, language ID, and then you need to define which tables you want to grab from this database. So there's a whole list of tables that you can move from this database into your file. Once you've done that, you can go to the next level. Like for each table, you may want to set up which fields you want to take with this package. So for instance, I don't want to bring my discount percentage and description, so I'll just tick them off, and this data will not be exported into a configuration file. So that was another level, and then there is a third level of configuration, is configuring the filters, which records I want to include into this configuration package. So I can go into the table, filters, and then say that I want all of those which have code ABC. So then only these records which comply with this filter will be exported with the configuration package. So you can define which tables, which fields, and which records to be included in the data configuration. Once you've done that, you hit Export Package, and it creates a .rapidstart file for you, which you can use for the next deployment. It's that easy. And by the way, I think I will be using this term in the next steps of the presentation. So this is what we call RapidStart Package Metadata. So this is a description of what's included in the package. There is actual data that is stored in the tables, and there is a metadata, a list of tables, fields, and filters that define the configuration package. And this is all included into one file. So another feature of the RapidStart is a worksheet. And it might be a little bit mysterious what it does, but in fact it's quite a simple tool. So what the worksheet is meant to be used for is, let's say that you create a configuration package containing multiple different tables. So you've included 20 tables into this package, and you say that, okay, 18 of these tables will not be changed with every new implementation. So I go to all customers, and 18 of the tables, they just applied by default whatever data I have in them, they will just be applied by default. But the two tables of this configuration package, customer might want to put some more records in there, or remove, or add, do some modifications. So what you can do, you can put links to the configuration package tables on the worksheet. So the worksheet is basically a collection of shortcuts to the package tables. So you don't have to put them all here. You just put the customer, vendor, item, bank account. So something that you might want to look at before using this package. And everything else is just the default tables with default data which you don't want to look at. So when I say database data, for example, I can see what's in the customer table now. And that's the essence of the configuration worksheet. If you just need to transfer data from one company to another, you don't need to create the configuration worksheet. You can just go create a configuration package, add a table, export it, and then use it for the next implementation. So Worksheet has a couple of extra features that are nice and useful, like, well, we'll go through them. But basically, it's just a list of shortcuts to the tables inside of the package. Okay, so that was the structure of the data that we can export from NAV and then import from NAV. And then, of course, there's this actions: export, import, apply package, validate package. A lot of different actions that you can do with this data. Okay, so let's go back to the